A Claude code leaked it. Opus 4.7 is coming this week. That much is now confirmed. But the leak reveals something considerably more interesting than a model launch. There is another model in development, internally referred to as Capybar, linked to what is being described as Claude Mythos, and it sits above Opus in capability. The reason you have not heard of it is the reason this story matters. Opus 4.7 follows Anthropic's established release cadence: better performance, fewer constraints, broader usability, an incremental upgrade on what already exists. Early reports suggest it is expanding into generating full digital products, websites, prototypes, and workflows from natural language prompts. That alone has triggered reactions from companies like Figma and Adobe, who are watching what prompt-based product creation means for their market. The internal model is a different conversation altogether. Early descriptions point to significantly higher capability, particularly in code generation, system-level reasoning, and security analysis. The kind of capability that would, well, in a previous era, be announced immediately. Here is why it has not been announced. Internal evaluations show the newer model carries a false claim rate of approximately 29%. Earlier versions sat at around 16 to 17%. The model is definitely more capable. It is also more prone to confident errors. That combination, higher intelligence, higher overconfidence, is the problem Anthropic is now actively trying to solve before shipping. The internal notes referenced in the leak describe mechanisms to manage overconfidence during outputs, particularly in coding workflows. That, I believe, is a meaningful shift in how AI development is framed. The question is, I believe, no longer only, can the model do this? The question is now, can we trust what the model says when it does it? Anthropic is effectively running two tracks simultaneously: a stable public release cycle with models like Opus 4.7 and a parallel effort to align and control systems that are already more capable than anything currently available. The capabilities being tested internally are already reshaping adjacent industries. Models are moving into product creation, workflow automation, and design systems. They are being evaluated not just on output quality, mind you, but on predictability and control. That is the market Figma, Adobe, and every enterprise software company is now watching very carefully. And here, of course, is the front page take. Opus 4.7 will arrive this week as expected, a better, faster version of Claude, worth the upgrade. The more important development, though, is what the leak revealed behind it. More capable systems are already built. The question keeping Anthropic up at night is not whether they can make AI smarter. They already have. The question is whether they can make it reliable enough to put in front of the world. The constraint in AI right now is not intelligence, it is control. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.